open PicsArt app, tap on this pink plus icon. Now tap on this backgrounds. Now select the white background. Friends, this is the background. Now tap on these tools, tap on this crop and tap on this portrait. This is the first step. Tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to go to draw. Tap on draw. Again tap on draw. Arrange it like this. Now tap on this brush. Tap on this first one. Key percent and tap on this zoomability. Now tap on settings. Now go to colors. Bring this circle here, okay? Bring this circle to here. Here. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Simply draw one line. Now tap on these layers. Tap on these three dots. Tap on this transform. And by using two fingers, simply zoom in. Okay, and arrange it like this. Now tap on tick mark. Tap on tick. Okay, perfect. The next step you have to go to add photo and select the model image. Then this is the model image. Now go to crop. Crop the image. Now go to cutout tool and erase the background like you do always. Tap on arrow. Tap on look like after erasing the background, simply arrange this portion. Perfect. Tap on this eraser. Tap on this erase and keep the settings like this. Erase on the bottom portions like this. Okay, now tap on this restore. Keep the settings and draw these portions. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark and now arrange it in the middle perfectly. Now go to adjust, go to saturation, make it to -100. Now tap on tick. Now decrease this opacity to around 95. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step you have to go to add photo and select the model image. This is a model image, standing pose model image. You have to erase the background. It will take so much of time, so I did it before, okay? Like this. Now go to shadow, tap on this position as usually and keep it 100 and 100. Tap on adjust, make it 100 and keep it around 20 or 25. Perfect. Now tap on add photo and select the shadow PNG. This is the shadow PNG. Bring it down perfectly here, rotate a little bit. Perfect. Tap on layers, tap on move down. Perfect. Decrease a little bit to around 90 and it is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The final step in PicsArt, go to brushes, tap on here fourth one. I have to search for the crystals. Here, there, tap on here and keep the size around 50 and opacity to like this. One here, another one here. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next we have to save this image in this PicsArt application. We have to jump into the Snapseed. See you there. Friends, you are in Snapseed application. Tap on this plus icon and add the model image which you edited in PicsArt application. This is a model image. Now tap on pencil. Directly go to text and you have to write your name or anything. I'm writing this model name and bring down. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, go to here, tap on view edits, tap on text, tap on middle, tap on invert and you have to increase to 25. You have to erase. It's perfect. Now tap on tick mark and go back. Tap on pencil. Go to HDR scape. Tap on first one and give little HDR and increase little saturation. Tap on tick. Now tap on pencil. Go to vignette. Arrange the circle like this and give the vignette. Now tap on tick. Now I have to save this image in Snapseed. The tutorial is completed. Next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.